So what's up guys, hope you are doing well. I'm Mash from techmash and today I'm going to show you that how you can fix emergency calling unavailable temporarily turned off by your carrier problem on your Pixel device or any other stock Android. So this is a really irritating problem that I have been facing for a long time, and I think you might be also facing the same problem if you are watching this video. So I searched online for all the solutions, but the thing is Pixel didn't provide any official solutions yet for this problem. So I will give you a solution with a third-party software, and if I find a new solution, official solution by Pixel, then I will definitely provide it in the I button or in the description below. I will keep you updated. So I will use a third-party app, so just go to your Play Store and search for auto notifications. Alright. So after searching for here, then here you can see you need to download this application. So I'm installing the application, you can see. So after installing the application, we will open it and then we will allow it, and here are some instructions. Let's close the instructions. Now here you can see an option called notification blocking. So we will use this option, obviously we will use this option. So here we need to click OK, and now we need to give it permission. So let's allow it the permission of notification access, and let's go back now. Okay, so now here after going to the blocking notification again, now we need to click on this plus icon here and click on yes. So now here it would give us some instructions which to block. Alright, so let's close it, and now here we need to search for phone service. So let me type it. Okay, so after typing it, then here we need to enter a title. So in the filter title we need to type emergency calling unavailable, the exact title that you would see on your notification, and in the filter text let's leave it empty as it is. Alright, and now click on OK, and here let's click on OK. So now it is perfectly working, and let's test it. If you just click on test here, it is showing there is currently no notification for this app. So all it will do is, if you have another notification like this, then it would block the notification from showing in your notification tray, and it would block it thus. So if this video helped you, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any question or any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mash from techmash and I'm signing out.